subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new gaming-centric phone under K-series in China called Redmi K50 Gaming Edition, along with a special edition which is set to call Redmi K50 AMG F1 Champion Edition with quite different design. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 480Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10+ and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 730 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with Sony IMX686 sensor plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 20MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with Sony IMX596 sensor. The device comes equipped by 4700 mAh battery with 120W fast charging support, which is claimed to charge the device from 0 to 100 in just 17 minutes of time. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 12 based on MIUI 13 skin on top. For gaming, the company has added 2 pop-up shoulder keys on the right edge, and it comes with dual VC liquid cooling system with a large 4860mm square liquid cooling area. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes JBL 4-unit speakers for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.5 by 76.7 by 8.5mm and it weighs around 210 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi K50 Gaming Edition has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 3,299 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 120GB storage model is priced at 3,599 Chinese yuan, and the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,899 Chinese yuan. And there is special edition which is priced at 4,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from February 18th in black, blue and silver color options alongside the special edition. So what do you guys think of this Redmi K50 Gaming Edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.